Hi guys! For today's cooking serye, let's cook stir-fry pork with corn. And here are the ingredients! Just a gentle reminder, for our first step, optional lang kung gusto nyo siyang i-fry directly or i-coat ng butter mixture. So first, gawa muna tayo ng breading butter. So we can mix egg, flour, water, salt, and pepper. Or you can also use any breading mix. And then, once nakuha na natin ang tamang consistency para sa ating butter, pwede na nating ilagay ang ating sliced pork. So, let us make sure na properly coated ng ating butter mixture ang ating pork. Then, set it aside for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes is fine, pero mas maganda kung i-marinate nyo siya ng mas matagal para mas manuot ang lasa niya. So, after 30 minutes, ayan, pwede na natin siyang i-fry. And tulad nga ng sabi ko kanina, optional lang kung gusto nyo siyang i-coat ng breading mix or i-fry directly. Mas gusto kasi namin yung medyo crispy, kaya naman kinoat ko muna siya ng breading butter. So, once golden brown na ang ating pork, pwede na nating hanguin at iset aside. O, diba? Prito pa lang, ulam na. Pero syempre gagawa natin siya ng sauce para mas special. So on the same pan, binawasan ko lang yung mantika at nagsaute ako ng aromatics like garlic, onion, and spring onion. Once aromatics are softened, pwede na nating i-add ang oyster sauce. And then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then we can add honey. If walang honey, we can use brown sugar. Pero since meron kami maple syrup which is also similar to honey, yun ang nilagay ko. Then, season it with pepper. Then, let's add water. Mix and let it simmer for a few minutes. Then, we can add 1 can of corn. And then, pwede na nating ilagay ang ating fried crispy pork. Haluin lang natin hanggang sa lahat ng pork ay ma-coat ng ating sauce. And that's it! Serve and enjoy! Thank you, Lord, for this food! Thank you guys for watching. See you on our next cooking serye.